Channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Makesi 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Zweli Abdul.
Brother, how are you?
I'm fine, brother.
Yeah, no, thank you very much, eh? Yeah, compliments, eh?
Compliments,
Yeah, brother, we'd like to congratulate you again. You see, when we see with the likes of Deco,
Hey!
E2, brother,
Hey!
those are big men. Big machines, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, not to be taken lightly. You're going somewhere, brother.
Couldn't sleep that night.
Yeah, I understand, brother. Even the handshake, brother, you couldn't wash the hands.
Yeah, I'm shaking.
Even now, you see now.
Yeah, don't
you
touch
know,
my hand.
Exactly. Yeah, I cannot rub that thing off. You know, yeah, but to be quite honest, you know,
Remember?
thank you very much to our fans way too. And congratulations again, you know. Gratitude is the best asset. I still say that. You know, yeah, continue flying high, you know. Yeah, ngiyazi nina nisebenzisa imithi njengabanye. Abathi sisebenzisa imithi and bayazazi. Uyabona muloyi omukhulu. Ubona omunyana. Yeah. Bheka mfethu angeke umane ukhulume ngobuthakathi ungabazi ukuthi ubuthakathi uyayithola la ngisile. Hey, into mangayazi ngizokhuluma kanjani ngayo?
Uzocomment uthi?
Ngizokhomenta ngithini yabona? Mangithandaza ngiloko ngisibhuzela itiye lami, jokoti yami or FG netrekere yami ngingazi ubuthakathi ngizothi ngithakathe kanjani?
Angeke
uyayibona? Angeke ngibazi. Mara mawuqala ukukhuluma ngobuthakathi usho ukuthi inyanga enkulu uwe ke.
Oyazi.
Ya kahle kahle umthakathi omkhulu uwe.
Unicolas uyazi ne?
Le snakes in the plane.
Uyayazi yanyoka era.
Abayazi lento yabo mfethu engenabungozi.
Heavy.
Enzima kabi. Yabona manje bebangakwazi ukuthi benze izinto kahle. Yabona? Yeah, bese siqale ukuthi slippery slope. Ukuthi uyangithola. Yeah, namanje ngiyakutshela mfethu. Ngisayisho lento lena ne. Bangaloku basitshela ukuthi hey they are winning in hey kwasha kwacima ne. It's not convincing. This is not Sundowns. We understand. They won. We don't have a problem. They won. Mina into engisho ukuthi yabona le Sundowns edlala manje. Ayisazothola induku.
Isazoshawa iSundowns.
Bheka isazoshawa. Yena angayivuma ngendlela ayivuma ngayo ukuthi
I asked him a simple question ukuthi since they are available for a new coach siluse magima ngaki. He said zilch. So induku if yakhuluma ngayo. Which induku yakhuluma ngapha when I'm which induku about when I'm
in the play.
Because laba they are sad because their mood is no longer working on our Mulungu. Our Mulungu like amadlusi wakhe are stronger than their Nyangas. So their mood is not working on us. Hence, they are saying it's no longer the same Sundowns.
Okay, exactly.
Because now ebusuku mabalele abasakwazi ukuya eChlorokopo banyathela amaphawethu phezulu komakhanda mabalele.
Okay, ari muhle.
Bheka mfethu ne.
Yes.
Yabona into yakho makwe yakho ne. Awulwi.
Yeah.
Yabona? Bheka mawinile ne. And awulwi you become humble mchana. Yabona ukuthi ba frustrated kanjani?
I frustration there.
We are not.
Bheka. How can you be frustrated when you won?
We are happy. We are not supposed to.
Happy person moving like this.
Live points.
Okay.
3 points.
People, it's
the
happy. No, you got 3 points like this. Oh no, you are happy. No, what is happiness?
I'm happy.
No. Okay. People would assume uri nakili sandawana and the total opposite because the way loud katengi and the way you're charging on. Relax, I can ruin.
Yes, I'm here.
Relax, then come down.
Why must I come down?
No.
Which Taba? Which Taba? You're talking about?
I'm telling you, Gutim, you know what? In the end, I got Sundowns match.
That is not in Mayfair. That is not
you minded my business.
What is happening in Sundowns? It makes us supporters happy. All we want is the maximum points. All we want is positive result. That's it. When I must focus on buying refs and your muti. That's it. Because that's what you're good at. That's what you're good at, my brother. My brother.
Can I have water? Can I have water? This guy is hot, man. Give him some water. Give him some water.
Okay.
The temperature is very high.
Okay, so Mr. Kubeka, continue.
Yeah, yabona mfethu ungangikhathi short. Yabona ma uhappy ne nge3 points yakho. Convincingly. Mfethu remain calm. You can even talk about the match. Ukuthi the match, yabona analyze the game. Yabona from this game there. There's nothing to analyze.
This game.
There's nothing to analyze here, Sundowns. I'm telling you the honest truth.
Why is there nothing to analyze?
Bheka mfethu, uyayibona lento le. It's just a matter of ukuthi imagezi ilahle ama chances wayo and then Sundowns ya capitalize ngoba ibonile ukuthi imagezi lahlile kuphela.
Were they lucky?
Mfethu, yabona luck works on football sometimes. It works. And nalento ukuthi bane experience nale magezi le seyigcinisa bi Sundowns. These teams, these smallanyana teams ne, just because of this name ye Sundowns, they end up when playing with Sundowns. Sometimes bayabona ukuthi man, yeah, we can give it our all, but just because of the name Sundowns. Bagcine basaba. I'm telling you, even Chiefs. Now, this Sundowns that is playing, if Chiefs can play Sundowns this one, it will move this Sundowns. Any other team that is much more matured, ne, in the Pro League, this one, ne, imakezi vele sazibuya le yenze yonke lento.
With our new coach, we played against very matured Stellenbosch. Stelis. We managed to move them in their yard.
Yes.
Convincingly so.
Yes.
So lo mthakathi angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Give us thola Thank you, my brother. Thank you so generous. But let me see if you don't put your muti here because you parents.
Put your parents.
All right.
Okay.
No, drink.
No, I'm alive.
You are alive. No? You're still alive.
Atusha
You don't chill.
Stelis.
No, bheka mfethu ne. Ngizokutshela mfethu. Iseza lento lena. Noma ngaloko azikhuthaza ukuthi hey iStelis. It's not the same mfethu. It's not the same. It's no longer the same. Into ekumele bayibheke manje ba focus ukuthi induku zabo zisemanzini. And the only coach that is going to do that is Rivero. Rivero will send he must peg this man. Atala ready, prepared. And
no was fired
peg.
Because his tactics was predictable. Because they knew exactly that they were gonna experience from Sundowns.
It was not predictable.
We were predictable.
No,
we were
it was not predictable.
Sundowns football.
It's collapsing itself.
This one is a goal.
Sheba. It's not predictable. It was not predictable. Rulano was playing good football, ne? And these boys have matured into understanding it better. Ne? It was not predictable. It was the squabble within Sundowns between the coaches. So he must be inducted.
Which coaches? Because the head one was Rulani. Which one is
that
abusive?
one that is silent. The silent assassin.
You are taking.
Why was
meddling in the business? That
pega. To check ukuthi there are squabbles, ne? They are still recycling the same energy, ne? Basuse uRulani bafaka umanqoba mnqithi with the hope yokuthi things are going to get better. Better in what? Understanding better in what? Uyayibona lento. This man won the coach of the season. Rulani, ne? Was voted the coach of the season. Ne? And then this man was sacked after being voted the coach of the season. Ne? One lost the whole season. Relax.
And then
Sheba, ne? Sundowns wanted things better, ne? Yayibona bathi okay sharp lo akasniki lento esifuna bayamseka bafaka umanqoba mnqithi ne manqoba mnqithi still doesn't give them what they need, ne? Bayamseka manje bafaka uKhadoso, ne? And they are hoping that Khadoso aqhubeke ngalento ayenzayo, but you can tell ukuthi whatever he's doing he's playing finder. It's just a game of saying today what's happening. He's not even sure what he's doing. I'm telling you, he's not even sure because the way they are playing. Pega, when last did you in Iraga Rulani, ne? Ama player ngakathola ama red card. Go coach uRulani. Ama player ngaki athola ama red card. There was tactical discipline, and even when they played, they were much more matured. They must not concede ama fouls at these. Njengalawo. Pega bolunga bakwatile. Mara they come on man. These players are not sure themselves now. And then yakchel induku years the Tupatsaluna di met Sandawana
never
Sandawana the Tupatsaluna
di met
my brother, the reason that Rulani was sacked okay, we used to play nice football, yes. Tiki-taka one, the similar one that Barcelona is playing. So, but the reason that Coach Leno was sacked is because of the result. We couldn't bring the positive result that we wanted. Avo playing CAF, Champions League, I'm a cup.
What results are you talking about?
Now
So
we
you said
wanted
cups are not
big.
important to
Listen,
you.
we wanted big. Listen, I gave you a chance, my brother. I gave you a chance, my brother. We wanted a big fish.
Yeah.
We are from the CAF quarterfinals 2 times, and then Spumok quarterfinals. Last is Spumok semifinals. Kadi individual mistakes. There's a coach. Understand? You can't play a nice football right through. Sometimes you have to play that football. As long as you got the likes of Al-Ahly experience, they've been winning this cup maybe 6 or 7 times in a row, playing that football, but the history remember them. So, like, the reason that Erlon was sacked because he was emulating more of European football too much. So this one, Cardoso, my brother, we can bet now. We're gonna put the second star. Yeah.
More.
Yeah.
Niyaphupha singakangeni lapha.
Yeah, baba.
Alright, asike sibone yabona ke
Second star.
Mzansi iklap enkulu iyakhuluma ukuthi angeke iSundowns izifake istar singakangeni ngapha.
This jersey is more holier than this one.
What is this?
Okay,
ngifuna the last quick answer Minier.
Yeah.
Uthe Christian Saile is better than Arthur Sale.
Yes.
Why?
Exactly, mfethu. Look, mfethu, you buy a player for 60 meter, ne? And then as a producer some results, you expect more. That is mercy for us. Yeah, in Mzansi, it's not conducive, mfethu. Betway is 20 million. Ne? You buy a player 60 million. Uyayibona ukuthi so uyibulala. Uyayibona lento. What are your expectations? It means ukuthi wena you're not playing here, ne? Whoa, relax. Chance 60 million. No, Mara, come on. There are better players.
Focus on Mabaso and
Abomkhulisi mfethu. They are much better and they are not even on that yabona 60 meter. Uyayithola lento lo. I-chance yokwenzana uyi 60 meter. Bangazodlala Saile ko Chiefs. Sorry my brother, we are better than these cells. Better than
Man of the match,
mfethu yabona man of the match yami. Mfana ureferee. Ungiphulela igame kamnandi yabona. Referee ungibambele yona bebaloku bathi hey badive lapha nabo bazenza abanye abantu beAl-Ahly
badive ukuthi bekungasi offside igoal ya.
Okay. Bangasuke ureferee waspot on. Ukuthi ureferee bekamnandi uLiceman waphakamisa iduku lakhe yabona. Ngoba nabo bajwayele ukurobha abanye abantu. Bajwayele nabo man.
We don't have referee on our
nalela penalty lakhe.
Harris that pay reference. So Manje Chiefs broke.
Mara Pito confessed.
Hence it's going down.
Pito said what?
Pito said it. Ukuthi I benefited. So what?
I think if I